In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Mailerlite with Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are in your store dashboard, navigate to the Shopify App Store. This is where you can add trusted apps that extend what Shopify can do, including email marketing and automation. In the App Store search bar, type Mailerlite Email Automation. Look for the official app, then open the listing and start the installation. When you are ready, click Install to add it to your Shopify store. Shopify will guide you through a quick approval screen, and then you will see the option to connect. Select Connect to link your existing Mailerlite account to Shopify. Next, you will be prompted to authorize the connection. Click Authorize to allow Shopify and Mailerlite to share the data needed for syncing customers and order details. This permission is essential because without it, Mailerlite cannot build segments or trigger automations based on Shopify activity. After authorization, choose a Mailerlite group where your Shopify customers will be stored. It is a good idea to pick a group that clearly relates to your store, since groups help you stay organized and make targeting easier later on. Now set your sync preferences. Select the option that syncs only customers who accept marketing. This helps you respect consent and keep your list compliant, since only people who opted in will be added to your email audience. Then you will map your store fields. This means matching Shopify data like total spent and last order to Mailerlite custom fields. Take your time here because correct field mapping makes your customer profiles more useful. It also allows you to personalize campaigns and create automation rules based on purchase behavior. When everything looks correct, click Finish Setup. This starts the initial sync of your customer data. Depending on the size of your customer list, the first sync may take a little time, so let it run and avoid closing setup screens too quickly. Finally, verify that the integration is active. In your Mailerlite dashboard, go to Integrations, then Shopify, and confirm that your store is connected and syncing as expected. That covers everything you need to know.